Hello and welcome. I am Matt Taylor and this is my variety channel. Today I have another cryptocurrency tutorial for you. I made a video a couple weeks ago on how to transfer BNB from Binance US or Binance over to your Trust wallet, all done on your mobile phone. And I've had a couple requests to show the reverse, sending BNB or crypto from your Trust wallet back over to like Binance.us or Binance or another exchange. And depending on which crypto you use, the steps are going to be really close to the same, just depending on where you send that crypto, whether you send it from Trust Wallet to Coinbase, whether you send it to Kraken or something like that. The exchange that you use, it doesn't matter too much because the steps are going to be very, very similar. You just find what your deposit address is from that exchange that you want to send it to, and then you paste it in when you are sending it from the Trust wallet. So I will walk through that. So here we go. I am on my cell phone here. And what you're going to do first is you're going to open up the exchange that you want to send the crypto to. In this case, I'm going to send BNB to Binance.us. And so I'm going to just click on that, and that opens up my account. You may need to re-sign in and jump through the hoops if you have two-factor authentication. Already did that. So here we are, and then what you're going to do is you're going to click on the little wallets icon down there in the middle at the bottom. All right, and now we want to click on deposit, and then you can find the token. You can just do a search up there, or you can just click on it. Another way you can do it is you can just scroll down and find the token down here and click on it and hit deposit. Okay, and this is going to give you this little notification for this particular token. You don't always have to do the memo, but for this one you need to do the memo. Please make sure to include a memo and only transfer BEP2 tokens to this address. Okay, hit OK. And now that is our address, the top one, BEP2 wallet address. I'm going to just click on these little rectangles next to it. That's the copy button. So I copied that. Now I'm just going to hit my home button to get out of this. And now I'm going to open up the Trust wallet. And here we go. And now I want to click on the one that I want to send, or I could just hit the send up here. I'm going to hit send. Or you could just click on the BNB and hit send that way. And then right here I can just hit paste, and that pastes in the address. The amount, I'm just going to send the amount, the max amount. I have about 0.08 staked rewards that I want to send. So I can just type in 0.08, or I could just hit the max amount. Okay. And now we need to put in the memo as well. So I'll hit the home button one more time. I'll come over to Binance, and then I'll copy this memo. Copy the memo, home button, back over to the Trust wallet, and then I will paste it in, just hold it down, and it brings up the paste, and there is the memo. Okay, hit done, next, and this gives you the details. Your asset is BNB. You're going from the mainnet, the main wallet of your Trust wallet, to the address that is over on Binance. And hit the memo. There's the memo. It shows you the network fee, 2 cents, which is really, really low. That's such a low network fee, which is awesome. And then hit confirm. And then you saw the balance decrease by a little bit. And there's the today transfer minus 0.0822 BNB going from the Trust wallet. And then if we go over to the Binance wallet, we'll X out of that. If you look down there in transaction history, it'll say BNB deposit 0.08. That's what we sent over. And if we go just X out of that, go back to the main wallet, then click back on it, and you can see there right at the top, 0.0823 is the balance, and that's what I sent over. So there you go. That is how you send crypto, in this case BNB, from the Trust wallet over to Binance US, all done on your mobile phone. Again, the strategy or the steps are very similar regardless of the exchange that you're sending it to. All right. Once again, my name is Matt Taylor, and this is my variety channel. Thank you for joining me. Please give this video a thumbs up. It'll really help me out. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions or comments. Take care and happy investing, everyone.